Hi there, I'm Brett Elliott Medical Herbalist, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's inside the Ultimate Herbal Detox and how it works. In a nutshell, you get 4 bottles inside the pack, each containing 120 capsules, and within that about 6 herbs. So the total pack has 4 bottles, all up 480 capsules and 24 herbs in total, all of which you consume over 14 days or 30 days depending on your needs. Simply put, you take these herbs morning and night while consuming a detox diet which consists of pure fruit and vegetables. You get a colon cleanse, a liver cleanse, a heavy mental detox and a parasite treatment all in one. The basic precept of a herbal detox is to give your body the time and the space to perform natural metabolic elimination processes, which the herbs stimulate. And while doing this, you're eating clean, so your nutrition levels are increased, and that helps to trigger the body's natural healing processes, and so it speeds up the healing in the body. Most programs either don't give you enough of the herbs or enough dosage of the specific herbs that you need, or they're not strict enough on the detox diet and the clean eating side of things. And we combine those two together, and that's what sets this program apart from the others. And the results speak for themselves.